Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to download any bed, clothes or hairstyles on the app The Sims Resource. As you can see, I'm about to download this Hot Beach House set. It's by RVSN. They are really good at making beds. Yeah, as you can see, that's what comes with it. So I'll be back with you when I have got the actual thingy up, because this is just a screen recording which I placed on the set. So yeah, I'll be back to you in a minute when I've got it all, when I've actually got the thing. So I've got the actual thing up now, and the first thing you've got to do is click on download. So as soon as you click on download, it should be loading up here. The little dial thing should be spinning like that. And then the screen should go either white or go straight to the download page, which is this. You've got to wait 10 seconds for it to download. Mine is a bit slow as I'm recording it on my laptop, so obviously I've got loads of little tabs open. We've got like 6 seconds in. Okay, this has a lot of ads, so don't click on any of the ads. As you can see, become VIP for only $4. Maybe like £3.50 in UK. Oh, and I think it has downloaded, or it will either call it like error or something like that. Oh, I clicked on the thingy. So I clicked on that by accident, guys. There we go. Let's hope it doesn't call an error. Let's hope, because I've just gone off the page and it's supposed to. Okay. So now that it's done downloading, it'll call this little bar thing at the bottom saying open, save or cancel. You click save. Is it on? And then it says it's finished downloading. So then you either click open folder or view downloads. I normally click open folder. And once it's opened, it'll this is your downloads. So you're gonna right click on the documents and click open in new window. Pull it down, and that one right there is my one. So you double tap on electronic parts, go to Sims 4, click on mods, and then they should be there. And then you gotta click on that. It should say buy online, but you don't have to buy it. You click extract to, and then you click documents, electronic art, The Sims 4, and mods. Then click OK. So now it's extracted. So it's extracted to it now. Should have extracted it. So yeah, I'll be back in a minute when I'm on Sims. So now I'm going on Sims. If it'll let me on Sims, there we go. Now I'm going on Sims. Oh, it just kicked me off it. Well, that's nice. There we go. So now it's loading me on. So I haven't got a game loaded up, so I'll have to make a new game. So I'll be back when I've done that. Right, so I'm about to start. Wait, I need to check something. Sorry about that, it's not going to be. So all of these are my mods. A lot. So yeah, let's do a new game. I'm just gonna go in my gallery and get somebody because why not? Just gotta wait. No thanks to the personality quiz. Then go to open my library. Up here, you can either click that or F4. I'm most likely just click open my library. And then if you include custom content, then click include custom content, and all your custom content comes up. Then click. I'm gonna click this one because if it has a child. And then I'm gonna make another kid. Then I'm gonna make another kid. This one's gonna be a boy because a boy's a boy. Then I'm gonna make here your mother, your father, and here your sister. Yes, right, perfect. Now we need to just definitely change his looks. So if you can hear little whispers in the background, it's because of my cousin's here and my little sister's here. That's why you can hear little whispers in the background. Right, let's do those eyes so they're a bit more broad. Let's do those eye colours. That eye colour, yeah, that eye colour is nice. We need to do custom content, as you can see. I'm gonna do the that one looks nicer. And then we're gonna leave those bottoms on him. Then get some Adidas shoes, but they're gonna be black and white. Perfect. And we don't really care about what he wears in his other outfits because we're gonna wear him. But using this for this. So yeah, there's all his other outfits. What the? So let's name him Jeremy. Jeremy Groves. Perfect. His aspiration could be motor, so he could be very exciting. He could be a genius as well. Wow. So let's play. Jeez. Wait, what? Why don't you let me play? Don't let me play. Oh, it's let me play. Okay, I believe this is. What a drink of film by the only way. Right, so let's go on Willow. No, I don't like that house. No, I don't like that world. That world will be. No more, no, they're the cheapest house. I have the cheapest house. Let's go on a 2-bedroom house. Let's get a 2-bedroom house now. So let that load. Okay, it's loaded in. Let's do a quick hack to get more money so I can actually afford the bed. Why not? To get loads of beds. So we're gonna quickly do this hack so we get loads of money. Okay, now let's go into this room, because this room is actually the kids' room, as you can see. Let's go in build mode. And let's just get the hammer. Do not, if it says like that, where it says all of it, do not click it, because it then takes better flow. So do that, and then do the bed. Then that is it. So then click on the little pointer thing again. Go to bed. This is the bottom point. So let's try this. This is the bottom point. There you go. There's the bottom bunk. Then we need to do the top bunk. There we go. Right. Now we just do a ladder. Let's hope this actually works, because I'm actually really excited for this. Now let's get the mattresses, because these mattresses are really cute. Mattress. Let's do a blue mattress. Perfect. Now let's just do like a dresser. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's see if it works. Wrong person. Right, then sleep. And let's see if he can sleep. Let's see if we can actually get up there, because I'm scared in case I can't now. Okay, please replace this up. Please. Yeah, please. Please. Okay, well, what is she doing? Okay, should I need to do that? No! Oh no, don't go back. I don't want to go back. Is she on the top? That isn't your bed. Get out of the bed. What the? What? Okay. Yep, the bed works. So he can go and sleep on his bed. She can sleep as well. So there we go. That's sorted. Let's see if it works. Let's see if both of them can sleep. It's saying that he can't go there. No, can you go there? Yes, he can go there. Okay. He's going up there. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Yes, he can sleep. Okay, there we go. So that is how you do the mods. Thank you for watching, and yes, bye.